everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we can check the tentative dates for UGC NET examination 2021. So first we can check the tentative date of June 2021 UGC NET examination. So the UGC NET 2021 notification is going to publish on February 2021, and availability of online application usually in third week of March 2021, and last date of apply online third week of April 2021, and correction window opens on April 2021, and availability of admit card third week of May 2021, and exam date of UGC NET June 2021 tentatively on 3rd to 4th week of June 2021. Release of answer key June 2021, and announcement of result of UGC NET examination June 2021 is first week of July 2021. And moving on to tentative date of UGC NET examination December 2021. Usually UGC NET 2021 December notification published on August 20, 2021, and availability of online application tentatively on first week of September 2021, and last date to apply online last week of September 2021, and usually correction window opens tentatively on 3rd to 4th week of October 2021. Availability of admit card 3rd week of November 2021, and tentatively the exam date of UGC NET December 2021 will be on 2nd to 3rd week of December 2021, and release of answer key December 2021, and announcement of result of UGC NET examination December 2021 will be on 2nd week of January 2022. Also, we can check application fee for different categories. So, the UGC NET application fee can be paid through online mode by debit or credit card or net banking or Paytm. Okay. So, usually for general candidates, application fee is actually 1,000 rupees. And moving on to general EWS, economically weaker section, and OBC non-creamy layer candidate, application fee is 500 rupees. And for ST, SC, PWD, transgender candidate, application fee is 250 rupees. So now we can check UGC NET 2021 exam pattern. Okay. So exam mode, as most of you know that the exam will be held in CBT mode, computer based training mode. Okay. A number of papers, there will be 2 papers in the test, and language medium. So the paper will be present in the language as chosen by the candidate, either in Hindi or English. Okay. So type of question, there will be multiple choice objective type of questions in the paper. And time duration for the exam, so it will be 3 hours without any break. And questions, so there will be total of 150 questions in the paper. So paper 1 will have 50 questions, and paper 2 will contain 100 questions. Okay. So the mark distribution, the paper will be of total 300 marks. So paper 1 will be of 100 marks, and paper 2 will be of 200 mark. And marking pattern, for each correct answer 2 marks will be given, and there will be no negative marking in the paper. So keep in mind the tentative date of UGC NET examination, and start your preparation from today onwards. So what you can do, First, try to check complete syllabus and pattern of UGC NET on the website, and try to solve the previous year question paper or the sample paper for the practices. And while practicing your previous year question paper and sample paper for the practice, try to note the important points at one place. Also, make a study routine which you can follow on a regular basis. Okay. So also I am here to help you. So if you have any doubt, you can comment below this video. Also please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.